TEKS 6B, Vertex to Standard Form Notes. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to change our Vertex form answers into standard form answers. So the notes say we have been writing our equations in Vertex form, which is y equals a x minus h squared plus k. And remember, Vertex is h comma k. Now we need to convert them into standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. So in order to do this, we have to do a couple steps. So what we're going to do is I'm going to first write these steps out, and then we're going to do example 1. So let's see, steps. So step number 1 is to find the exponent. Find the exponent, because that's going to tell us how many times to write the parentheses. So that means once we find the exponent, we're going to write the parentheses 2 times. Okay? Then we're going to distribute the a value, and then we're going to combine like terms. Combine like terms. So let's follow these steps and do example 1. So example 1 is y equals x minus 2 squared plus 3. So remember, it looks like this vertex form up here. So that means our a value is a 1, since we don't see any a value there. So the first step says find the exponent. So here's the exponent. And step 2 says write the parentheses 2 times. So right here, we're going to take this parenthesis and we're going to write it twice. So I have y equals 1 bracket x minus 2, close bracket, plus 3. So I took x minus 2 and I wrote it 2 times. And then I put it inside brackets to emphasize that we're going to do the 2 parentheses first. So in order to simplify these 2 parentheses, we have to do double distribution. So remember, double distribution says that we write the first term, so x, and then the second parentheses, x minus 2. Then we write the second term, minus 2, and then the second parentheses again, x minus 2. So I'm going to leave everything else the same, so everything inside these brackets, and bring everything else down. And then I'm going to distribute what's inside the bracket. So I'm going to distribute this x here and this negative 2 here. So I have x times x, which is x squared, x times negative 2, which is negative 2x, negative 2 times x, which is negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. And I'm going to bring down everything else that's on the outside. Okay, so that completes step 1 and step 2. So step 3 says distribute the a values. Remember, our a value is right in the front, so we're going to distribute that 1. Remember, 1 times anything, it doesn't change. So we have y equals 1 times x squared, which is x squared, 1 times negative 2x, which is negative 2x, 1 times negative 2x, negative 2x, and 1 times 4, which is 4. And then I bring down that plus 3. Okay, that's step 3, check. Step 4 says combine like terms. So now I'm combining all the terms that are the same. So this negative 2x is in the middle, and then these numbers at the end. So I'm left with y equals x squared, negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So that's my answer. So first I wrote my parentheses 2 times. Then I did double distribution, then I distributed my a value, then I combined like terms. So that's our steps. Okay, let's look at example 2. Okay, so remember, first we're going to write our parentheses 2 times. So y equals 1/2 x minus 2, x minus 2, close parentheses, close brackets, minus 4. Then I do double distribution, so I have y equals 1/2 x, x minus 2, minus 2. Okay. Remember, double distribution, we take the first term in the second parentheses, then the second term, and then the second parentheses. So if you don't remember how to do double distribution, you need to look back at your notes. Okay, then I'm going to distribute these x inside, and then the negative 2. So I have y equals 1/2. X times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Bring everything else down. Now I distribute my a value, which is that 1/2. So y is equal to 1/2 times x squared, which is 1/2 x squared. 1/2 times negative 2x is negative 1x. 1/2 times negative 2x is negative 1x. 1/2 times 4 is 2. And then I bring down this minus 4. Okay, then I combine like terms, so I have these x's in the middle, and then the numbers at the end. So y is equal to 1/2 x squared. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2x. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. That's my answer. Okay. Let's look at example 3, the last example. Okay, remember our first step is to write our parentheses 2 times. So I have y equals negative 3, x plus 4, x plus 4, and then bring down everything else. Then I do double distribution. So I have y equals negative 3, x, x plus 4, plus 4, x plus 4. Okay. Then I distribute inside, so the x and the 4. So I have x times x, which is x squared, x times 4, which is 4x, 4 times x, which is 4x, 4 times 4, which is 16. Okay. After I do double distribution, I distribute my a value. So distributing this negative 3 inside. Okay, so I have y is equal to negative 3 times x squared, which is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times 4x, which is negative 12x. Negative 3 times 4x, which is negative 12x. Negative 3 times 16 is negative 48. And then I bring down this plus 1. Okay, my last step is to combine like terms. So I'm combining the ones in the middle and the ones on the end. So I have y equals negative 3x squared. Negative 12x plus negative 12x is negative 24x. Negative 48 plus 1 is negative 47. So this is my answer. So we just took Vertex form and turned it into standard form.